In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter coins by market cap on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're an experienced crypto enthusiast or just getting into the world of digital currencies, knowing how to filter coins by their market cap is a crucial skill that will enhance your research and investment strategies. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to go to the CoinMarketCap website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in coinmarketcap.com in the address bar, then hit enter. This takes you to the homepage where you can see a snapshot of the crypto market, including various cryptocurrencies, their rankings, and key statistics like market cap, price, and more. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate the filters option. You'll find this easily on the top menu bar, typically situated towards the right-hand side. Click on Filters, which will open up a drop-down menu offering different options to refine your search and better analyze the data based on numerous metrics. The Filters menu is quite versatile, but for today, our focus is on filtering coins by market cap. Here, you'll want to look for a field that allows you to specify your preferred market cap range. Enter your desired figures directly into the market cap input fields. This allows you to customize your search to show only those coins whose market capitalization falls within your specified range. This is particularly helpful if you are interested in tracking either high-cap blue-chip coins or exploring the potential of smaller emerging crypto assets. Now that you've input your preferred market cap values, your next move is to click on the Apply button. This will activate your filter settings and refresh the coin listings on the page to match the market cap criteria you've entered. The filtered list provides you with a more targeted view of the cryptocurrencies, fine-tuning your research process, and offering insight into the coins that meet your investment appetite. With the filters applied, you'll see a tailored list of cryptocurrencies on the screen. You can now examine these coins in detail, exploring their individual pages for more in-depth information, such as historical performance and trading volumes. This streamlined list offers a more focused starting point for making informed decisions about which cryptocurrencies might be worth further investigation or investment. And that's it. You've successfully filtered coins by market cap on CoinMarketCap. This method is a powerful tool in your cryptocurrency arsenal, enabling you to quickly and efficiently identify market opportunities that align with your investment goals. Whether you're looking for the stability of well-established cryptos or exploring new promising ventures, this filtering technique will be invaluable in your journey through the ever-evolving world of digital currencies. Happy investing!